Hi everybody, I'm Stacey, and on this episode of Serve It, we're going to do mimosas, but we're going to get rid of the plain old orange juice and do it 3 different ways: a lavender lemonade mimosa, a clementine, and a good old pear. You can shop everything you see by going to qvc.com, search Serve It. First up, a lavender lemonade mimosa. Take a saucepan or pot like this one, 1 cup water, and then some dried lavender, and bring this to a boil. Add in our cup of sugar, give it a stir, shut the heat off, and we're gonna let this sit and rest for about 30 minutes till it gets nice and thick. Now is the perfect time to make your garnish. So you just need a couple of lemons, cut them in half from tail to tip. Then create half moons. So it's been about 30 minutes, so what we have to do now is strain the syrup from the dried lavender. So you just want to take a strainer, put it over top of a bowl, pour that in, take a chilled bottle of champagne. And remember, all champagnes are sparkling wine, but not all sparkling wines are champagne. What I have here is a bottle of Prosecco. That's Italian sparkling wine. And I like it because it has less sugar, which plays off really well with the simple syrup that has enough sugar to build this mimosa. Love that sound. Do a little half mixture to make your mimosa. Okay, take your lemonade, fill it up about 3/4 of the way, and then the simple syrup. Maybe about 2 tablespoons worth. I just give it a good pour. Top it off with your sliced lemon or lavender lemonade mimosa. Cheers. That's nice. Recipe number 2. Clementines. This is gonna make about 8 glasses. Take your clementines, cut them right down the center, the width of the clementine, and then you're just going to juice these babies. There's not much to this recipe, super simple. Obviously, if you have a juicer, your work will be quicker. Take your 10 whole cloves, dump that in there, cover this, and if you can, refrigerate this overnight. That way all the flavors can blend. So now that we have our clementine juice chilled and married with that beautiful flavor of the clove, we're gonna take those clove pieces out. I'm using a spider because I can get them all at once. And then to make these pour easier, I'm going to take the juice, pour it straight into my pitcher. Tilt your glass about 45 degrees. Slowly pour your chilled champagne or sparkling wine into the glass, and again, it's up to you. You could do half and half. Yeah, let's do a little more champagne on this one. It's Stacey style. And then that clementine juice, remember, with that flavor of the clove, it's just gonna give it a deeper, more sophisticated woodsy flavor. Wow, so good. Mimosa number 3, and by far the easiest, a pear mimosa. So what you're going to get is store-bought pear nectar juice. It's gonna be thicker than pear juice. So definitely you wanna spring for the nectar. Start with your champagne or your sparkling wine. Finish off with your nectar. A sprig of fresh mint. Just drop that in there, and you've got yourself a pear mimosa. So there you have it, 3 easy ideas, simple to make. Don't forget to tune in to my buddy Alberti for Table It, and he'll show you how to make a beautiful spread for your new mimosa bar.